Unlock the power of compelling email marketing and transform your audience engagement with Beehiiv's intuitive creation tools. Let's dive into crafting your next professional and engaging email on Beehiiv, designed to capture attention and drive clicks. Begin by navigating to the creation section in your Beehiiv dashboard. Here, you'll find a robust editor for your email content. Start with your core message. Craft clear, concise, and captivating text that speaks directly to your audience. Utilize the formatting tools to emphasize key points, make your important phrases stand out with bold text. Add emphasis with italics, and don't forget to link out to relevant content. Hyperlinks are crucial for guiding your readers to valuable resources. Visuals are essential for engagement. Easily upload and strategically place images to break up text and enhance the aesthetic appeal of your email. Choose images that are high quality and relevant to your content. Beehiiv offers a variety of content blocks. Experiment with headings to structure your email logically. Use quote blocks to highlight testimonials or important statements, and employ dividers to create visual separation and improve readability. Personalize your email's look and feel by customizing fonts and colors within the design settings. Ensure your branding is consistent and the reading experience is comfortable for your subscribers. Explore Beehiiv's Personalizing sections and templates for a head start. These are crafted with engagement in mind and can be easily adapted to fit your specific needs, saving you valuable time. Finally, craft a clear and compelling call to action, whether it's to read another article, visit your website, or make a purchase. Guide your readers on what to do next with a prominent and action-oriented button. Mastering these steps will empower you to create emails that not only look professional, but also drive meaningful connections and measurable results for your online presence. Happy emailing!